Hi everyone, my name is Pete Sanford. I'm the shop foreman here at Richard Chevrolet. Today we're going to be talking about how to check our tire tread depth with a penny. The reason we're going to be doing that is because with the cold and snowy weather coming up, we all want to make sure that we're going to be driving around safe with the proper tread depth on our tires. So typically we measure our tire tread depth with a tread depth gauge that looks like this. Most people don't have one of these, but most people do have a penny lying around. I'm going to show you how to measure your tread depth using a penny. When you stick the penny down into the tread depth here, you can see Lincoln's head. Okay, now if you have enough tread depth to go past Lincoln's head, typically you have plenty of tread depth left. If you can see Lincoln's head, say for example it was about right here, at that point your tires are going to be measuring at about 2/32 of an inch, which is basically that's the time to get the tires replaced. It's important to replace your tires when they do get that low to prevent things such as hydroplaning or losing control when it's wet out. So if you think that's the case for you, feel free to stop down, visit our website, or give us a call. We'd be more than happy to help you check your tires and if necessary pick out a new set. As always, we're here to help here at Richard Chevrolet.